Hi everyone, my name is Jistung. This is the power pad for the cordless electrical mop. It cannot be charged, so let's review the issue. We open the power battery pack to check it with the multiple meter to see if any voltage, the 12 voltage output. Charge it. The light is on and disappear quickly, cannot be charged. So let's dismantle the battery pack. Now we check all the battery to see if it works. This voltage is okay. It's available. Second one is voltage 2. The third one is voltage. And this one, oh, no voltage. It means that this battery is wrong. It's broken. So we need to replace it. So we use this almost the same 18650 battery to replace the wrong one. So that's it. Now we measure the voltage. Yeah. The total voltage now is 16.6 voltage. It's normal. Okay. We charge it to see the battery if it's charged. So now we fix the issue of the battery pack. So now it's all done.